Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroAlgo. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of May, 2025, our system has ranked MicroAlgo as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of -6.55. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of 61.31%. This translates to an average loss of 3.83% per day since it was listed as a strong sell candidate. The stock currently resides at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which often presents an attractive buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $1.50 is breached, it will initially suggest a more pronounced decline. The present 3-month trend indicates a possible change of -20.53% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from -100% to 971.51%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -27.34%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could vary from -100% to 11,944.94% within the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $185.49. Our latest daily update from MicroAlgo includes the headline, High Volatility in MicroAlgo Inc. stock price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $1.54. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price fell by 16.76% on the last day, Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, from $1.85 to $1.54. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 38.51%, with a low of $1.48 and a high of $2.05. The price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by 50.8% for this period. Volume also decreased on the last day alongside the stock, which is generally a positive indicator as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 64 million shares, with a total of 52 million shares traded for approximately $79,520,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $509.60, and the lowest price was $1.11. Currently, the price is 99.70%, or $508.06, below the 52-week high, and 99.99%, or $14,298.46, below the all-time high on December 13, 2022, when the price reached $14,300. MicroAlgo Inc. continues to generate significant buzz in the tech and investment community with a series of announcements showcasing their advancements in quantum computing. Just today, the company unveiled its exploration of optimizations in quantum error correction algorithms aimed at enhancing the accuracy of quantum algorithms. This follows closely on the heels of their announcement of the Quantum Information Recursive Optimization, or QIRO algorithm, designed for combinatorial optimization problems. The company also recently developed a quantum convolutional neural network, which promises to boost traditional computer vision tasks by integrating principles of quantum mechanics. In another noteworthy development, their innovative quantum image encryption algorithm offers enhanced security, which could appeal to sectors increasingly concerned about data protection. Financially, MicroAlgo has reported a strong turnaround, with a net income of approximately $7,300,000 for the year 2024, driven largely by robust demand for their central processing algorithm services. This is a stark contrast to the net losses they faced in prior years. Such financial performance is expected to bolster investor confidence, driving share prices up in both the short and long term. With these continuous advancements and strong financials, MLGO is positioned well within the rapidly evolving quantum tech landscape, likely attracting both new investors and further collaboration opportunities, which could propel its stock price even higher in the near future. Analysts have assigned MicroAlgo stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroAlgo. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact the near-term development. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $1.63 and $6.80. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 31st of March, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 93.65%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 40 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 253 days ago. Short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 26 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average indicated a sell signal 31 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.34 and $1.27. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is heightened. A decline below the support at $1.27 could lead to a significant drop in the stock price. This stock exhibits considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be a very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 570 cents between its high and low, which represents an increase of 38.51%. During the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 40.59%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for MicroAlgo, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and carry risks of potential bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $1.57. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroAlgo faces its first support level at $1.34. Should this support level hold, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 30th of September, 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited executed an insider purchase of 0 shares. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? MicroAlgo Inc. currently presents several negative signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend, suggesting it will likely continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock is negative. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the present price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 28th of May, we anticipate MicroAlgo will open higher by 150 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $1.69. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.